Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Healthletic subscription. If you have purchased any health related product on this platform, so how you can cancel your subscription. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website, that is like healthletic.io. This is the official website, and once you are on the official website, what you have to do, you need to tap on my subscription option. At the very top side there is the option my subscription. You need to select this option, and once you select this option, it will ask you to log in into your account. You need to log in, and once you provide your credentials, once you are in your account, there is a option my manage subscription option. You need to select this option, and once you once you select this option, it will pop up this kind of window. On this window, here is your name and your customer ID, and your all active subscription is available on this screen, and you can cancel, you can manage, you can pause your subscription by using this way. Okay, if this method will not work, what you have to do, you need to contact your credit card provider, and you need to cancel, you need to make a request like you want to cancel your credit card. And only when they cancel your credit card, once you get new card, the automatically all the subscription will ended, and this is the last option. Okay, you can try these two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. There is no other way. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Bye bye.